Hello and welcome to Design Guy. Want to make your Canva animations flow smoothly? I'll show you how to order them. Click the Create button, then choose Video from the options. For this tutorial, select the landscape layout to ensure your project is properly formatted for widescreen viewing and editing. Select the Element tool from the menu. Once selected, look carefully for the section labeled Animals to access various available animal graphics. Select the desired graphic from the sample library. Choose the fox image and add it to your project. Next, apply the animation effect to the fox to bring it to life within your design, making your project more dynamic and engaging. Click the Animation tab, then locate the Animation pane box. Use this box to move your selected object to the desired position on the slide. Click the rabbit icon to add it as the next element after the fox. Select the rabbit from the available options, and it will appear in your project. By adding the rabbit, you can continue building your sequence and customize its actions or appearance as needed in your animation. Click the Animate button to begin. Next, select the rabbit and choose an animation effect from the available options. Adjust the animation settings to customize the movement. Finally, preview your animation to see the rabbit move according to your selected effect and settings. Move the rabbit to the designated spot on the screen. Once the rabbit is in place, add another animal by selecting the zebra from the asset library and positioning it next to the rabbit. After the zebra is added, place a third animal, which will be another rabbit, to complete the arrangement. Make sure each animal is spaced evenly. This setup will allow you to demonstrate how to add and organize multiple characters in your project. You can check the copyright status by looking for the copyright notice in your document's footer. To move the zebra, first click on the zebra to select it. Once the zebra is selected, you'll see handles appear around it. Now, click and hold while dragging the zebra to its new location on the canvas. Position it exactly where you want it to go. When you're satisfied with the placement, release the mouse button to drop the zebra in its new position. The zebra has now been moved. Click this option first, then add the forest layer to your project. Make sure to select it correctly before moving on to the next step in the process. Next, let's add a background to enhance our design. Locate the Background tab on the left toolbar, click it, and choose a color or image that complements your project for a polished look. Click on the Forest tab in the main menu. You'll see the available templates appear on the screen. Select the template you want to use by clicking on it once. A preview will load on the right. If you're happy with your selection, click the Use this template button in the bottom right corner. Your chosen forest template will now be applied to your project workspace. Click the play button to preview the current animation. Observe how the elements move on the screen. Now, let's update the animation for this object. Select the element, then open the animation panel. Choose a new animation style from the list. Apply your changes and play again to see the updated animation effect in real time. Navigate back to the Create Animation screen. From here, locate and select the bus option in your animation list. Once the bus option is selected, find and click the Add Audio button. This will allow you to import or choose an audio track to accompany your animation. Make sure your audio file is ready for upload or selection before continuing. Click the Add Audio button to start. Browse your files and select the audio track you want to use. Once you've made your selection, click Open. The audio will now be added to your project. To drag and drop an item, first locate the file or folder you want to move. Click and hold the left mouse button on the item. While holding the button, move the cursor to your desired location. Release the mouse button to drop the item into its new place. This action helps you quickly organize your files and folders by moving them wherever you need them on your computer. Adjust the duration of the clip by clicking and dragging the edge to your desired length. Once you've set the new duration, click the play button to preview how the changes affect your video. Watch closely to see if the timing matches your expectations. If further adjustments are needed, drag the edge again and preview. Repeat this process until you're satisfied with the result, ensuring a smooth playback that fits your intended duration. To update the path, first click on the current path to edit it. Make your desired changes, then confirm the update. If you want to remove the path entirely, select the Delete option and confirm to permanently delete the path entry. Click the Share button at the top right of your screen. From the menu, select Download. Choose MP4 as the file format to ensure compatibility with most devices and platforms. Then click the Download button to start saving your video. Once the download finishes, you'll find your MP4 file in your device's designated Downloads folder, ready to use or share. You've just learned how to order animations in Canva. If you found this useful, Hit like and subscribe for more easy design tips.